you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Rhea and this is the Wellness Diaries episode 2. I'm filming a what I eat in a day for you guys, but I'm getting renovations in my house, so probably all the clips are gonna be filmed like in the car or something. Bear with me for that. But I just had dates with peanut butter and coffee, and now we're going to head to the gym to hit upper body. Okay, we are about to go hit upper body, and yeah, I want to do a little what I eat in a day on a lean bulk right now because I'm trying to gain some muscle on my legs and glutes. So I am actually upping my calories this week. I felt like I was kind of hitting a plateau, like for the past few weeks my weight and measurements stayed the same, so I was like, okay, let me up the food a little. So I was eating 2,400 calories a day. Now I'm eating 2,500 calories a day, and it's great. Like, I love to eat all the food, so, and I kind of just make sure that I average 2,500 calories a week. So like Sunday I was eating, probably ate like 3,000 calories, so like some days this week I'll just have like a bit lower than that, just so that the average is 2,500 calories. And yeah, we're gonna go hit upper body. I realized I was doing like some shoulders and stuff, but I realized like I'm just good with where my upper body's at, so I'm just gonna focus on back today and core. And you know, I'll hit my shoulders a bit through that, and also when I go to Reformer Pilates on Wednesdays I also hit my upper body. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing. The goal is to grow the glutes and legs. Okay, I've currently grown my glutes 2 inches so far, but let's eat up. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I just finished my upper body workout. It was really good. I did pull-ups for the first time in a minute and they felt pretty good. I used a band, but I definitely want to, especially since I'm only doing like one back day a week, I want to really work on getting some pull-ups. I feel like I say this all the time, but I'm going to, for sure. They're just so hard. They really take a lot out of you, but I like being strong and like being able to, you know, prep out some pull-ups. It's always a flex, a good little party trick. But yeah, now I'm at the mall because I want to pick up some matcha, and then I also want to try and find one of those protein shakes in the strawberry flavor because people have been making like strawberry matchas with it, and I'm like, hey, I need to do that. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm also gonna stop at Sephora for a new hair serum, and then we'll go, and then I might go to the health store and get some bone broth, and then we'll go home and eat. I step out of the house and I spend like $100. So I got my chicken bone broth. This is my fave. I love to get the frozen ones like this over the powder because it keeps that good gelatin in the bone broth, which is so good for your gut lining and skin, hair, all that. It is a little bit more expensive. Like, I only get like 3 cups out of this, but I really like it and it tastes really good. And then I need a new matcha powder. They didn't have any at the Japanese store, so I'm just trying this Bloom Superfood Latte Matcha Coconut, and it has moringa in it as well. And I got the strawberry core power to mix with it and make a little protein matcha. What else did I get? I got some iron pills because I'm iron deficient and I've been forgetting to take it recently, so taking that. And I got the Ordinary multi-peptide serum. Why did I remember this being like $13 and now it's like 30 bucks? still cheaper than the whey that I've been using. I was like, okay, I need to chill and not get a $70 serum right now. So we're gonna go back to her for a bit. Now let's go home and eat. Post-workout meal, some overnight oats with some peanut butter and banana. I just use a pre-made overnight oat mix from Costco and then Fairlife milk, and it's really good. I did use the right ratios, but it's a little watery, more watery than normal, but still good. So some good carbs after the workout, not the most protein. I think this is only like maybe 15 grams of protein, but it's okay because I'm gonna make up for it the rest of the day. Okay, just got home from my Invisalign appointment and there's nobody in my house, which is amazing, so I can vlog. But we are going to make a tuna sandwich. Tuna is amazing to hit your protein goal. In a can of this, there's like over 30 grams of protein, which is amazing. And I'm gonna finish off this carbonate bread, which is 13 grams of protein for 2 slices. So this is gonna be a quick, easy meal for around 45 grams of protein. So let's get into it. Oh, sorry, I'm making tuna melts. I totally forgot. And we got protein in the cheese, so this is gonna be over 50 grams of protein for our little quick, easy lunch. So let me show you. The biggest jar of tuna. This is the biggest thing of mayo I've ever seen in my life, but it's exactly the size that I need. Yeah. Here we have our gorgeous tuna melts. Literally took 15 minutes to make, and just can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. I'm gonna enjoy this and we'll see you for dinner. It is now time to make dinner. I am starving. It's almost 8 o'clock. I was just editing a video, so let's make a quick, easy dinner. It's about to be my most basic dinner that I always make. Chicken, veggies, and a sweet potato. If you saw my last video, this is still chicken that I prepped last week. And this is the end of it, and I still have, I think, 8 more chicken breasts. So I'm gonna cook those up probably tomorrow so that I have more for the next week. And these are from Costco, the Pura Vida fire roasted vegetables. And these are my favorite frozen veggies ever. Squash, peppers, onions, but it's tossed in avocado oil, so no like inflammatory seed oils, and it's just seasoned with salt and pepper, and that's all the ingredients are, is some seasoning and avocado oil and the veggies, and that's all it should be. And then I'm going to cook up a sweet potato. I always just throw my sweet potatoes in the microwave for like 6 minutes. It's so easy, and that's how I have a high protein healthy dinner in like 10 minutes. So let's do it. So I have a nice large sweet potato here. I'm gonna throw her in the microwave for probably like 9 minutes. Yeah. This potato's humongous. It's huge, but it's gonna be amazing. My dinner, chicken breast with barbecue sauce, the veggies, and a huge sweet potato with butter. I'm so excited to eat this. Like, it looks simple, but it's my favorite meal. Like, and then I have one of these Cove cream sodas with it. These I get from Costco. So good. Zero calories, zero sugar. I don't know how they do it, honestly. And it has probiotics in it. Not the perfect alternative, but obviously better than like a Diet Pepsi or a Diet Coke or a regular soda. So I love to have these. And I'm gonna go watch Squid Game and enjoy this, and then I'll show you what I'm having for a sweet treat, of course, after. Okay, you guys, I just finished my dinner, and I'm honestly so full from all that sweet potato. Like, that filled me up, and I'm not even feeling like I want a sweet treat right now. So I'm just gonna call it a day at that. Let me tell you the macros. So it was 2,150 calories, 136 grams of protein, 245 grams of carbs, 78 grams of fat, 51 grams of fiber. So we did good on that. And yeah, the reason why I'm not gonna hit my goal of 2,500 calories is, like I said, I kind of try and be a bit more intuitive, like, and try and aim for that weekly average calorie goal. So like on Sunday I ate about like 3,000 calories. So having a couple lower days in the week will help balance that out. And I'm just like, I'm not gonna force myself to eat more right now. If I feel satisfied, I'm just going to leave it at that. And I know probably like on the weekend or something, I might eat out or something. I might have a higher calorie day, you know? So yeah, I just kind of let it even itself out, but I still aim for that average weekly goal of 2,500 calories a week. That was my full day of eating for today. High protein, high fiber to put on muscle while staying as lean as possible, okay? I'm gonna continue the vlog on to tomorrow though, so we'll talk to you tomorrow.